Okay, so this fits in there, and what we need to do is we need to drill all 4 of these holes so that we can securely mount this into there and plug in all of our connections. Okay, we got the hole drilled, and we're going to put this, it's all wired up, and these sides are taped down so they don't touch the metal and create lots of sparks. But this should just slip right in there, and you just screw some self-tapping screws into there, and that will hold this plate on, and it will not be going anywhere. So, let's put these self-tapping screws in. Time to start it up the first time and see if the plugs work on it. Plug my light in. No, I shut it off. It came live.